Hi, it's been like 2 weeks since my last video. Well, not exactly, but close enough. And I was thinking about what I wanted to do the next video about. When I came home, though, I found an email by Adobe with them announcing that Adobe Premiere Rush, I think is what it's completely called now, has been announced, which means, I guess, that I can talk about it now. I've been in the beta test this summer. The last drone video you've seen of me, I actually did cut in Adobe Premiere Rush. And I'm quite excited about it being live now, even though there are some features still missing, but Adobe has announced that they're going to add those features. So you might ask, what is Adobe Rush or Adobe Premiere Rush? Adobe Premiere Rush CC, I'm not really sure what the final name is now, but basically it's a simplified, a streamlined version of Adobe Premiere. So you have Adobe Premiere Pro CC, which is the Premiere for, let's call it professionals, for people who need a lot of features, who well, put a lot of effort in editing. You now have Rush, which is basically a very streamlined, very simple UI. You could compare it from the classic Lightroom to the Lightroom CC if you use those tools. The difference is very similar. Even the interface of Rush looks a lot like Lightroom CC, the new one, but it is a complete video editing tool. Well, mostly complete. Right now it's missing the control of time, meaning that speeding up, slowing down, time ramping, stuff like that cannot be done with Rush at the moment. But as I said, Adobe has already announced that they're working on this as a feature. So if you want to know more, if you want me to make a quick entrance tutorial to it, I am going to do that. You just need to comment down below. What I really like about Adobe Premiere Rush and what fits it in the tools that I'm using is I can run it on my beloved, wait a second, my beloved iPad, which once it's loaded, and once I'm signed in, which I'm not going to do now, so I'm not showing it on the iPad right now, sorry, but basically what that allows me to do is to edit a bit of video while I'm mobile. So quite often when I go out fly with my drone, then on my way back I stop at some pub or some bar and have a beer and just go through the footage that I've shot, mostly photos, and make a post or two on Instagram. And I always wanted to do a bit more with video, but I never really found the tools that I found very satisfying for that. And Adobe Rush, Adobe Premiere Rush, whatever you want to call it, I'm sorry, whatever you want to call it, it's actually fitting for me exactly in that spot. I can use it on my iPad mini. I can use most of the features of Premiere that are relevant for making a small movie there, and that means I can now, while still mobile, while still not being home and still not being on my editing machine, I can go and create a video, a preview video, or just some short for Instagram, and that's what I really want to use it for, and that's where it might fit in for you as well. On the other hand, if you are more into making drone videos and less into editing them, meaning if you're more interested in, well, the recording than in the actual editing process, then the streamlined interface that makes it easy and makes it very intuitive to actually learn might be also interesting for you. Anyways, I'm going to link to Adobe's product down there. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, well, now you should. So I should have the name here somewhere, and I'm going to link it down there as well. And yeah, I think that's it about that subject. I have a quick announcement. I'm not sure where this is going, but I've been thinking about maybe doing 1 or 2 cooking videos for the channel, and I've decided to, well, not do that. I don't think I need to have even more topics on my channel, but I thought maybe that would be a nice kind of bonus kind of video thing. So I've decided that I'm now at 130 something subscribers. At 200 subscribers, I'm going to give you, in the form of a video where I'm actually cooking it, my secret goulash recipe. So if you're interested in one of the most delicious dishes I can think about, well, you know what to do. Get people to subscribe. Subscribe yourself. Tell your sister to subscribe. Tell your father to subscribe. Tell your mother to subscribe. Tell your grandparents to subscribe. Tell everyone to subscribe. And soon you will get this recipe for this awesome goulash. Well, I think that's it for today. And I wish you a very nice day and see you soon.